Hello everybody, it's a beautiful spring day, and that means only one thing. It's patio opening time for 2025. Up first this year, I'm going to be doing what we call Krebsing the patio. Krebsing the patio, you say? Yes. I believe this to be from 1983. Krebs spray kit. It's Krebs 35. Made in Switzerland. It's got a sale price of $64.85. Price was $89.95. Obviously a estate or a garage sale sticker for 15 bucks. Let's take a look at it. It comes with the strainer. A canister. Extra canister. Here's the actual unit, the Krebs 35. It's got the canister there, and then the additional one. This thing works pretty good if you've got a helper that can continuously keep these canisters full of paint. So I'm hoping to get the Gramps out here to help with that. Paint sprayer model Krebs 35, 100 watts, 2.5 amps. It's got a date code of 346, so I'm guessing the 46th week of 83. 031555 serial number. That knob adjusts the width of the spray pattern. This knob here adjusts the width of the spray pattern. It's got this tip here, and then the one I like to use that I can paint the ceiling of the patio with. This guy here is the tester for seeing if your paint's thin enough. I'll have to look again and see what the timing rate is on that, but if the paint drains out of there within an X amount of times, it's thin enough. It's got the instructions, which I'll probably glance at again because I haven't used this since about 2009, maybe 2010. And this will be the 4th time I've painted this patio with this rig. Still has the new old stock little vial of WD-40, which it explains in the directions. That's how you spray it out with the WD-40 before you put it in storage. It's got a little spring in there. Spray that out. Clean it out real well. But before all that, I've got a pressure wash. Before I pressure wash, I've got to take everything down. I've got one little problem. Got a birdhouse there that's occupied, so I've got to be real careful on that side. Try not to disturb that too much. I've pretty well got everything disassembled. Been scraping on some nails, grinding them off. Now it's time to pressure wash. See if it'll start. Got some fresh gas. It's a little while later, all done. Painting is done. Unfortunately, that's not something I can record because it's spray paint and I don't want to get paint all over my camera. I'm going to try to set the camera out of the wind and get a run-up of this Krebs 35.